How to fix Instagram Notes music not showing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Watch the video till the end. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we will launch Instagram app on your device. Log in to your account. Tap Profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Now select the three-line icon at top right corner to access settings and activate page. Scroll down. Under How Others Can Interact with You section, select Messages and Story Replies option. Now choose Show Activity Status under Who Can See You Are Online. Make sure to toggle the button on for Show Activity Status. This allows accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. Once done, head towards the messenger icon of Instagram at top right corner of the screen. Now simply select your note at top left corner of the screen. And finally, you'll be able to see the music icon. Select that and you can browse or choose any music according to your convenience or choice and add on your notes. In this way, you will successfully fix Instagram Notes music not showing. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.